I'm from Arizona and I'm 19. Less than 14 days ago. I worked at a pizza place and I was camming for a bit. I was just always kind of interested in it. I don't know, I would want to be like one of those girls. Well, since I was camming before, it was a little easier, but it was still a little awkward, but I love it now. Yeah, Kimmy Granger and Sydney Cole. I think it was in middle school, but I'm not too sure how I came across it.
And what was your reaction?
I liked it.
How old were you?
Maybe like, I don't know, like 13 or something.